If you can speak well, you can influence people. And if you can influence people, you can transform lives. Hey there, I'm Nancy Shah. I'm a trainer, public speaker, founder of Speaker Circle, and I also work as an anchor for different corporate social events. Having explored stage in different ways and forms within last 10 years and having trained more than 5,000 people by now, I realized that when you can speak confidently, it can help you transform your lives personally as well as professionally. With the vision to empower people to speak confidently and clearly, I have come up with a workshop on public speaking skills. It is going to be a 15 days workshop and it is going to be completely online, so you can attend it from anywhere, literally anywhere. And I'm sure it is going to be your first step towards your transformation journey. We have named it a public speaking workshop, but it has quite a lot more into it. Because to speak, you have to think, you have to read, you have to write, you have to come up with something interesting, prepare, practice, and then develop guts to go on stage and perform. So here we are going to talk about how you can overcome your stage fear and become more confident as a speaker, how you can develop good content by brainstorming, organizing your thoughts, and as well as using tools like Chat GPT and other AI tools which are trending these days to create a level-changing content. Apart from that, we are going to talk about body language, voice modulations, few other tools to make your speech creative, and a lot more to present yourself well on stage. The next question might be, who can attend this? Well, anybody above 15 years can be part of it. Any student who want to present himself more confidently into vivas, presentations, and even in interviews. Any working professional who need to give a lot of talks and speeches in front of clients, customers, or even within the teams. Any entrepreneur who needs to present his business or thoughts or ideas in front of networking groups or other forums. Any artist, freelancer, or even a homemaker who just don't want to be a homemaker anymore. In fact, anybody who would like to speak more confidently and clearly can be part of this. Having said that, let me explain how are we going to do this? How are we going to achieve these goals? Well, there are total going to be 7 live sessions. These are not pre-recorded sessions. This will be live sessions where I'll be with you and we will have a lot of worksheets, activities, discussions, tasks, and the methodology to learn this art of public speaking. Out of these 7 sessions, 6 sessions are going to be sessions which will be conducted by me. And the 7th session would be a final public speaking day, an open for all event where you can invite your family members and friends, and there you will present your speech in front of everyone. And they would be able to see the change that you have brought in yourself within just 15 days. Yes, because throughout this workshop, we are going to guide you and mentor you individually in preparing that one speech which you will present on the last day of the workshop. Apart from that, we are going to have activities like jam technique, prepared speeches, extempore, impromptu, group discussions, activities within groups and individual, and a lot more. It is a power-packed tool, I'm sure, that is going to help you transform your public speaking journey. You might think that, Nancy, it's just a 15 days workshop. How will I transform my life through that? Well, I am not giving you any false commitment. You won't be able to transform your life just through this 15 days. But believe me, this 15 days can be the first step towards your transformation journey for sure. So, are you ready to take this first step? Are you ready to level up your public speaking journey? Are you ready to know more about this workshop that can transform you? Well, if your answer is yes, then reply us on WhatsApp. This number 9106374794, the same number from which you have got this message. Just reply on that interested. If you are really interested in knowing more about it, just type interested and we will share further details with you. These details include the exact dates and schedule and time of the workshop, what we are going to do and how, the fee structure, and of course some early bird discount offers. So what are you waiting for? If you're really interested in learning more about this, type interested, reply us, and we'll share further details with you, and I'll see you there in the workshop. Bye-bye.